Want to write high-quality blogs and scripts effortlessly? In this video, I'll show you how to use Deepseek V3, an AI-powered tool that can help you generate SEO-optimized, engaging, and plagiarism-free content in minutes. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or marketer, this guide will help you maximize AI for fast and effective content creation. So let's dive in. Deepseek V3 can generate blog posts, scripts, and articles in seconds. Adjust tone and style based on your audience. Optimize content for SEO readability. Ensure plagiarism-free writing with original ideas. It's like having a personal AI writer that helps you save time and produce top-tier content. Now let's generate a high-quality blog using Deepseek V3. Write an engaging blog post about the benefits of AI in digital marketing. Keep it informative and SEO-friendly with a compelling introduction and clear subheadings. I also turned on the Deep Think option so we can get better results. So, it is thinking and discussing about meta description, title, keywords, and other things that are necessary for a blog post. So finally, after 41 seconds of thinking, here are the results. Deepseek 5. 3 generated, a catchy title, an engaging introduction, well-structured subheadings, informative, SEO-rich content. See how fast and structured the content is? But we can refine it further for better engagement and SEO. Now we can optimize this blog for SEO by adding relevant keywords naturally and using short paragraphs and bullet points for readability. If you need a different writing tone, no problem. Simply modify your prompt to adjust the style. So, let's do it. Make this blog sound more conversational and engaging, like a friendly expert explaining to beginners. Deepseek 5. 3 adapts the tone perfectly. Here are results in front of you. You can see a clear difference between the both blogs' titles, as well as in the whole content. In this way, you can generate and optimize your blog. Images are very crucial for any type of content. Now let's ask Deepseek to write image prompts related to our blog. Write prompts for the images I should include in this blog. And in a few moments, it is generating extraordinary prompts for our images. It has generated 11 effective image prompts for our content. In the next step, we have to generate images for against these prompts. So let's ask Deepseek the top 3 tools for generating high-quality images. And let's ask it, what are the best 3 tools that can convert these prompts into images? And let's see. So it has suggested Midjourney, Open AI model, and Canva model for image generation. So let me see you the result of highly effective images by the above prompts with these effective tools. Here are the results in front of you. You can see how and extraordinary images are generated by these AI tools. There is no need to pay to anyone for these things. You can automate these things with AI and generate a massive amount of money. And the last step we will check is the generated content by Deepseek is plagiarism-free. So in order to check plagiarism, go to the website duplichecker.com, which is a free checker, and let's paste our content here. It will take some time in order to process the content. All right, here are the results. And you can see our content is 96% true, just 6% of plagiarism found, which can be neglected. So my dear friends, in this way, by using Deepseek, you can optimize your content and overcome the competitive market of content creation. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.